30 Rates projects a 1% rise for Tether Gold tomorrow. First, let's get a sense of how things are moving today. Tether Gold has moved higher by 0.4% since yesterday and trades close to $4,693.30. Let's move forward to expert forecasts. Traders Union thinks the asset may decline toward $4,651.70 by April 26, with a potential drop of 0.9%. Tether Gold could retreat to $4,664.98, according to Gulf Capital Collector, roughly 0.6% down. Coin Price Forecast points out it could move up to $4,728, about 0.7% more than now. A separate outlook from 30 Rates points to Tether Gold climbing to $4,741, a potential increase of roughly 1%. And finally, Crypto Predictions forecasts a target of $4,820.45 by tomorrow, 2.7% above now. This is the most profitable estimate we've seen. That wraps the analyst part. Let's keep moving. With expert views laid out, here's how they might translate. Looking at the projections, the market could shift between a drop of 0.9% and a rise of 2.7%. After comparing all five, Crypto Predictions leads with 2.7% upward change in value by tomorrow. Based on these results, you could generate between $6 and $27 for every $100,000 you invest. In terms of odds, Gulf Capital Collector ranks highest with a 63.8% chance of success. By collecting the forecasts side by side, I've drawn a consolidated consensus outlook. Consensus expectation put Tether Gold almost unchanged, around $4,721.23. Let's get into the weeds a bit. The consensus figure shows the price moving up 0.6% by tomorrow. This suggests your capital might also grow by roughly 0.6%. On a 1,000 investment, that could amount to about $6 gained. This consensus view is linked to a chance of about 63.8% of materializing. To continue, let's examine the short-term 3-day expectations. Traders Union forecasts Tether Gold moving lower. Gulf Capital Collector anticipates Tether Gold holding close to current levels. The direction noted by Coin Price Forecast is clearly upward. 30 Rates notes that short-term changes will be negligible. A move higher is suggested by Crypto Predictions. Integrating all outlooks, the consensus presents a case for Tether Gold moving higher in the near term. Overall, 60% of forecasts highlight a higher path for Tether Gold. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago for the following day. Now that it's behind us, we can check the results. As a result, the actual move took the price to $4,690.70. Not one analyst captured the right side of the move. As far as accuracy goes, Traders Union stood out on top. Now let's set it in order. Yesterday's market revealed that just one prediction landed in the candle. Regarding ROI, Traders Union alone managed to stay above zero with 0.4%. On screen is the performance summary, the combined outcomes for every forecast. 30 Rates had $95.30 accuracy and minus 0.3% ROI, with a forecast probability of 50.9%. See if your guess matches what really played out on the chart. Let's move on and see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow line up between Tether Gold and others. This time Tether Gold doesn't hold first place because AVE shows the strongest outlook at 2.9%. This section includes Tether Gold and 4 random cryptocurrencies, while a far broader selection will be accessible on my site soon. If that was useful, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next forecast. Catch you in the next breakdown.